In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you've finished editing and you only need the audio from your project, DaVinci Resolve makes that process very simple. This is useful if you want to export a podcast episode, a voiceover, music, or just the final audio from a video without creating a full video file. To begin, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Deliver section. You'll find it at the bottom of the screen. This is the area where you handle all of your export settings, so once you click into it, you'll see several options and tabs that control what gets rendered. On the left side, look for the Export settings. Under the Video section, you'll want to uncheck Export Video. This is the key step because it tells Resolve that you do not want to create a video file. Instead, you're only preparing an audio export. If you leave video enabled, Resolve may try to render both video and audio together, which is not what we want here. After that, move over to the Audio tab. This is where you can adjust the settings for your audio export. Depending on your needs, you may see options like codec, bit depth, and other audio-related controls. These settings affect the quality and format of your final file, so it's worth taking a moment to review them before exporting. For example, if you need a specific format for another platform or editing program, this is the place to set it up. If you're not sure which settings to use, just keep in mind that higher quality options can create larger files, while more compressed formats may be easier to share. The best choice depends on what you plan to do with the audio after export. Once your settings look good, go down to the bottom and click Add to Render Queue. This sends your audio export job to the render queue, so Resolve is ready to process it. From there, your export setup is complete. And that's it. That's how to export audio in DaVinci Resolve. As long as you disable video, check your audio settings, and add the job to the render queue, you'll have a clean audio-only export whilst it's ready to go.